Who knew that you should be wearing moisturizer in winter? Apparently Jamie did.
It's like closer than I am on like most first dates.
I like dry shampoo and I don't like physical proximity. Nope. We're here today to talk about products that we can't live without. So the product that I recommended to Pooja was the Ceramidin line of products from Dr. Jart because they're super hydrating, but they're also really light and easy to use. I wanted to give you some different textures because you were new to moisturizing, didn't want you to feel like you were, you know, you think of like the counter at the department store, you're getting the goopy white cream. This is not that.
So I'd actually heard of the product when you recommended it to me. It's a favorite amongst the office. I will say though, when Jamie told me to use it morning and night, I was slightly intimidated. I'm not great at doing things that are like part of a routine. I like to get out of the door super quickly. But once I started using it, it was really easy to adopt into everyday life.
Dr. Jart Ceramidin Cream, liquid form. I don't moisturize, so this is gonna be a really interesting experience. Comes out like pretty liquidy. It feels super light actually. Smells great. I didn't feel like I had like the normal dry spots that I usually do, which was surprising considering I was somewhat skeptical of the liquid. But this time we're trying the gel cream, so. The texture to begin with is definitely thicker than the other one. You do have to rub it in a little bit more, this one. It's not cold. It just feels cooling. I'm actually going back to the liquid one. I like the texture of it a little bit better. It felt lighter. Didn't forget, really close, but got it. This weekend was really cold in New York and dry, but I felt greatly moisturized. That's a win.
I honestly thought moisturizer was like floss, where it's like, it's a nice to have, you should be doing it. But what I've learned is it's actually like more like a toothpaste. Like you have to do it.
Yeah, you need to do it every day. When you came in this morning, I did say you looked luminous as hell, so.
This is probably the most luminous I felt, so it's a win.
So
that's
glowy. Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments if you have anything that you can't live without. And wait, I didn't miss the products part, so it's supposed to be products, not things in general. I can't live without air. Okay.
Thank you guys so much for joining us. Make sure in the comments to leave any products that you can't live without, and then let us know if there's any other products that you want us to try. Thanks.